guys, we're back with another video, another little tool haul here. This one it's nothing crazy, just some sockets, a ratchet, little clip holder there for wrenches, screwdrivers, extensions, whatever you want to put on there, you can put on there. Another little socket rail. Well, let's go ahead and dive into this tool haul and get them opened up, take a look at them, and talk about them a little bit. Do some comparing if you want to. Give me 1 second here and I'll get them opened up. I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, we're back. So let's start with the ratchet here first. Comes with a little polishing rag here. Got the icon on there. As the old JST, Justin Sturgill, would call that the cum rag. So this is the 1/2 inch. Oh, what is this? It's 12 inches long. It's the flex head. I was gonna get the comfort grip, but I don't like their comfort grip. Icon, if you're listening, you need to go back in and get a different game plan for the comfort grip because it is way too thick, and it's like a harder plastic type of grip. It's not comfort. It's way too thick. It's odd feeling. It doesn't feel right. You need to get back in there and draw up a new game plan for that. But the number on this is R34. The number on the box is R34, the same. I'm going to give you the back of the box, so if you want to read it or anything, you can pause it and read that and see what all it says on the back. There's all their information there. That number is 64704. That's the number to locate the ratchet with your local Harbor Freight. Like I said, it's the 1/2 inch drive, flex head, 12 inches long. I'm so glad they finally got this figured out. I hated how the Pittsburgh ratchets are backwards, how the selector switch is backwards. I hate that. But she sounds good. 90 tooth ratchet. I don't hardly have any 1/2 inch ratchets in my box in the shop. I've got, this is a Williams ratchet. Also made by Snap-on, owns them. The same people that own Snap-on own Williams. And as you can hear, it doesn't sound the greatest at all. I've got that 1/2 inch drive, and then I've got my big Snap-on long flex head comfort grip 1/2 inch. And you can see she sounds pretty smooth. Let's compare the heads here. So as you can see, the icon head is way smaller than the Snap-on head. Put them back to back. The icon head is way smaller than the Snap-on one. Switches are finally in the right direction. They both are about the same size here. Well, this Snap-on is a little bit wider where it connects to the bar. It's a little bit wider on the Snap-on one. Less gap down here on the icon. Bigger gap there. But they're two different sizes. So I don't know if they're really comparable, but that would be my comparison. And I'm making a mess, destroying stuff here. Well, let's get back up here and look at something else. Kind of like the idea that it comes in this like little blow molded tray here. That's different. I know Snap-on has like a 3-piece black industrial set you can buy that comes with a blow molded case, but never seen a single come in this except I think it's Nepros or Ness or something like that. They have a little box that their ratchets come in. Here is the 1/2 inch metric deep Goes from 12 up to 24. And the number on the set, ooh, that was a bad idea. Now I cannot get the number for you guys. The number on the set, let me pick it up here without spilling it. 64849. There's the back of the set. Comes with your little tray here, the blow molded tray. It also has this the big box that the stuff comes in. Alrighty, here's your shallow set. Once again, 12 to 24, no skips. The number on this one's going to be a little bit more difficult since it's longer. But the number on this one, 64852. There's that information for some of you guys that might want to read that. But, I mean, for the money of these sockets, the price of them, and the durability that I've had so far out of the 3/8 and the 1/4, I think they're worth it. My opinion, I haven't used a 1/2 inch yet. I'm not saying that about the 1/2 inch. I'm saying that about the ones that I've actually got to use. I think they are definitely worth the money. Some may disagree, some may not. And anybody that knows me when I started the channel and I've been growing and so on and so forth, I am a snap-on fanatic. I love snap-on tools, I love Mako tools, and I just started slowly wandering on the Cornwell truck, so I can't really give my full opinion about them because I've only got one set of wrenches and one ratchet from them. Can't really give my full opinion about them. The ratchet I'm not so fond of. It's junk. Their 1/4 inch ratchet is junk. But what I was saying is, I love tool truck brands, yes. But these sockets, for the money, the 3/8 and 1/4, I have not tried the 1/2 inch yet. But the 3/8 and 1/4, for the money that they are definitely worth it. Hands down, they are worth it. I would buy them. If I had to restart everything and never knew about a snap-on truck or anything like that, I would buy these icons in a heartbeat. They are worth it to me. Like I said, some may agree, some may disagree. Everybody's opinions are different. We'll leave that at that. But this is going to be your magnetic clip rail tool holder. Holds 14 tools. There's the information about it. The number is 70036. They're just like these little clips here. They turn whatever angle you need them to turn to. Have them at an angle. You can have them this way, you can have them that way, any angle you need them to. But they're nice because, let me get, you can put a wrench in one. Put an extension in there. You can put your screwdriver, your picks. You can put plenty of different things in there. Wrenches, extensions, hose. That's a hose pick, the flat one. This is just a regular pick, sharp pick. It'll fit in there. There's endless of things you can put in this. You can put all kinds of stuff in it. And they're magnetized, or there's little holes down here at the end, right here and here, that you could drill it. You could rivet it to whatever you wanted to, and you could put your stuff in there. I mean, yeah, it moves this way, but it's not going to come out unless you hold it down and pull it out. Yes, it'll come out that way. But that's that. Let me move this junk out of our way. Then I picked up another 1/2 inch rail. This holds 16 sockets. 70035. That's the 1/2 inch drive one. It's magnetized. Has the Same as the last one I showed in the last video. Well guys, that's about it. If you haven't seen the video for the giveaway, it's the last video I posted. Go watch it. Watch all the way through the video. You'll get the complete details on the giveaway, how to be entered into the giveaway. We've got some great, nice tools that we're giving away in the giveaway. We have stuff from Harbor Freight all the way up to Snap-on and so on and so forth. But with that being said, that's the stuff I got today. That stuff there and that ratchet. So with that being said, like, comment, share, subscribe. Put your opinions down below about the icon sockets and the ratchet. I have not used the ratchets yet, so we're going to put that through the test. I'll report back next week of how it's lasted, if I've found any flaws, dislikes about it, or what. But leave a comment down below what you think about this stuff. Hit the like button. Ring the bell. You need to ring the bell so you know when I post new videos. Subscribe. And I'm out of here for today. Like always, get out and fix something and get back.